Hello guys, it's Armand here playing Plants vs. Zombies 2. Battles time, everybody. If there's an epic quest, let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Epic quest! No. Let's see if it is. It is what it is. Wait, whoa. There's something. It said something play. Oh, wait. Or whatever. So there was like something like. Alright, let's see. Something is on sale? Hey, my friend had that too. And he was like, oh yeah, just ignore it. It's like, oh, something like. There was something like apple mortar was like on sale.
The zombies are coming.
So, bang. Don't want this guy. Is he gonna get him? Repeater? Ah, the piece shooter got him first. Bye-bye goes the Gargantuar. No more room for you to throw. Baby slap. All I need is a piece shooter, but I don't think I'll get one. No, stall them. All right. Symmetry. Alright, really no more academia. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna like. Got it open before you can see it. Only the small part of the pinata. Right. Sale, let's check the sale. I forgot what was actually there. Apple mortar was there, I remember. It's the free gift for sure. Witch hazel bundle. Alright, yeah, potion, tornado, yeah. Alright. Wow. Okay. Alright, yeah. I guess there's something I'm missing out. What was the Mercademia Nut type of tournament, or was it? I don't know. It doesn't say the season name. Nuts Mighty Season. Alright, I guess. Mercademia Nuts Mighty Season. Puffball's Purple Season. Puffball's Purple Season. I remember that. It was a bit funny at first, but now it's like, what? So what? Quack. This does nothing, and I thought it would work at first. Let's see. The concealment looks like it's real shadow for sure. Why not? One more dust globber. I'm just trying to get the sun. Oh, wait. That's not the tournament. That's not the Ogia tournament. Stein. Oh, I put it up there, okay. And alright, let's do that, why not? Wait, what? No, they're breaking through the Mercadian nut thingy. Oh, get out of here. And they actually, oh no, someone's mad. I don't know who. Oh, now this guy's mad. Nope, bye-bye all chickens. Oh, no, this guy's beating me. I'm not even noticing. Well, I didn't even use my playing foot on this. No way, I'm so dumb. Here's my comeback time. I'm down 1 million. This is to prove the whole world I'm the best. I can come back so big. No, you don't. There you go, got him down. That was fast, actually. Double Mercadian meal, why not? Man, this guy is so high of annoying. I did come back, but not enough to actually do it. Oh, this guy's shadow pea shooter. Exploder nuts? Alright. But what do I use instead of shadow pea shooter? Bombardment, I guess. Okay, I'm right here. Man, everybody's ahead now. That's bad, that's sad. It's bad and sad. But you know I can get on the leaderboard at least 3rd place. I'd go to Golden Gate Bridge tomorrow. That's all I'm gonna do on PT conference. Jeez. Yeah. Hope I can fit in a video, right? Bombardment. No that. This guy he used, and what was the last guy? What was the last? Concealment. Sure, but he used shadow pea shooters. That one. I don't know if shadow pea shooters were his key to win. What? Yeah, and I can put this guy a lot faster, right? Tell you this, I'm struggling big here. It's breaking through already? No. Things are already so bad for me. Like, way too bad. Hopingly it'll help. breaks only 1,000,000. I don't know how that other guy breaks so high. How does he even deal with the breakthroughs? That's the one question. Yeah, this guy tried to use the sexonds, but I think he got a lot of chicken breakthroughs. Really, he did. Maybe Shadow Pea shooters are the key. I can't use the strategy. Alright. Next. What do I do? The old strategy, right? Not that, for sure. Here. Peppermint is pretty good. Man, I can't get that sound? Jeez. Gonna get his jello back, for sure. Full jello. That's good. Oh, wait, hold on. I didn't really mean to do that. That was accident. I'm gonna wait for the bombardment, then I'm gonna go crazy try boost. Okay. Wrong one. Yeah, 1.4. I don't understand why this is not enough anymore. Oh, wow. 118. I'm gonna play today's pinata party. Oh, yeah, I did. Let's check the sale. This is sale. This is sale. This is sale. This is sale. It's a lot of coins right there. 1,000,000. No, that's 100,000. That's a lot of coins. Imitator, I know that. Wait, what? Hold on. What? Now it's in the shop? Oh, okay. Better last, right? I don't know why that strategy did not work at all. I mean, I thought I was doing so fine. Oh, maybe the bombardment delayment. No, we can't delay it. I don't want to do that. So, yeah, let's try that again. I don't want to dig any of these guys, so yeah. Got him. Yeah, they don't attack these guys like, oh. Zone. Alert breakthrough right now. Got the gargantuan. Gotta get that last plane food. Ooh, mastery, whatever, and he did not get that. Oh my god. Mastery, what? No way, no way. Yeah, got some random stuff right there. I'm gonna beat this next guy, but I'm gonna get ahead enough on that guy. Because I think it's like a mystery. I'm Sherlock Holmes. But you know, it's like Friday tomorrow and it's awesome. I'm already on a high part on the leaderboard. These guys suck. I can actually do pretty good. I mean, dude, literally. Gonna teach a comfort. So lucky. In this tournament. I don't want this guy here already. Okay, right here, I need that. Another that, please. Thank you. Give me that, please. Another round of the jalapeno. That's Cheerio. I can't make that anymore. You got a gargantuan, slap that potion! I need that. Thank you. There you go, got him. So he's like mad when he's about to get dead. He's like, no, I don't care whether I'm mad or not. I don't care whether I'm mad or not. Okay, I'm beating this guy big right now, so that's good, right? Yeah, that's for sure. It's like Bucky's, the Bucky's don't matter. Yeah, this isn't enough. Oh, maxed out? Man, I would have made use of all that. Level 7? How? How is that possible? Man, people have so high level of that. Understand level 4 of those. Maybe level 5. But I don't know how level 7. How level 10? How does Q Games hack it? Or maybe he doesn't. What does he do? Yeah, how does everybody have max level planes? Max mastery. Like, I watched this guy, he had like a max mastery laser beam and not all his planes, like a charge guard. It's like he was like an epic guy. Nope, get out of here. Bye. The tiny guys. The tiny version of those newspapers. This is your sweetie. Really? I'm gonna use it to my advantage. Oh man, I put it there. Cool, but I need some more knockback. Yeah, I hate these stupid notifications. I almost missed a knockback right there. Please and thanks. No more chicken for the minute here. Keeping these Mercademias alive as much as I can. But we got a Gargantua, we gotta deal about that. No! They're gonna kill the Gargantua! Should not have done that. Not a weapon. Gotta work on my Mercademia nut here. The triangle guys don't get damaged with the Mercademias at all. This guy's catching up with me. Wait, no, he's not gonna like make it happen. Is he? Is he? Oh god, I'm scared. I don't wanna lose this one. Nope. Oh my god, I missed him. He's like, please. I was like, no, please. Alright, come on, no chickens for this time. No more chickens. Maybe no more zombies. Oh, that'd be cool. Plant stopper. It's the end.
Why didn't I damage anybody?
Cause you're so late. Too bad. Ha ha ha. So it turned into some fire thing. Alright, sure, I look to rush that. Alright, let's see. Man, these guys are now easier because I'm doing worse, and that's good. Because I can complete the reward streak easily. Load the gold beam. I'm gonna do that. I gotta protect these guys first. I gotta protect these guys with my... This guy. Alright, give me all that. Thank you. I didn't see that guy up top. Yes, we got him on time! I thought I was not gonna get him. Alright, yeah, my score's way better here. Don't know how I did that. 2 million. Bucka Bobby. Oh, this guy's only level 3 and stuff. Yeah, 1.8 for that guy. You think that's good or you think this is good? This is good for sure. Let's see if I can complete the streak today against this guy. Place? What place do you live in? So that I can hack and steal your strategies. Or I can just hack and then just restart your progress and I win, dude. Oh, what if I make him quit? Oh, I won for sure. I'm a big winner. Hey, what if he actually does that? Watch. Oh yeah. Oh man, that guy almost died. I wanted him to die. Uh-oh, he's gonna like fly now. Now we need to cover up these Markinians because this guy's already here. Wait, there he is. Now I gotta cover up this newspaper. Get out of here. Get your newspaper on fire. Nope. Right. Please recharge on time because you guys dying. He was just about to. I just killed him on time. Alright, get far there. Oh, he literally ate like in the air and then it died. He ate in the air. How did it? Oh no, my moonflowers are gone. My moonflowers are like serious gone. Here, I'm gonna lose this one. Oh my god, this guy's gonna break 3 million? No, what if he does? What if he actually does? What is this guy's strategy? Is he gonna be my 2.8 I had? Oh my god, he did. How did he do that? How is he doing this? 3 million? No way. I'm gonna learn the strategy today, guys. Unless if it's no premium. Please. Please be success. Man, he's the great. Ah! Now you're gonna choose his strategy. Man, what the heck? 3.1 million? No. Can't complete it, but I completed it once. How did I not complete the rest? Well, yeah, whatever. Thanks for listening for today's episode. Please subscribe if you guys like this video. Whew, all you gotta do is just to click on the like button below. See you guys later, I guess, for now. No events. Bye-bye.